जिस रोज ताजदार बलोच को इश्क होगा उस रोज पूरा लाहौर इश्क करना हमसे सीखेगा।
जिस दिन ताजदार बलोच को इश्क होगा उस दिन पूरा लाहौर इश्क करना हमसे सीखेगा।
I'm married, but I have fallen in love with you all over again.
मैं अभी अकेला आ रहा हूँ, एक बार देख लीजिए, दीवाना बना दीजिए, चलने को है तैयार हम, परवाना बना दीजिए।
खुद से एक वादा किया था, ताजदार बलोच हीरा मंडी की नापाक गली में कभी कदम नहीं रखेगा।
But if I had to talk about the maximum takes, I think it was about
जहाँ औरतों के सौदे होते हों ऐसे बाजार का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा।
माधुरी दीक्षित।
लेकिन हमारी मोहब्बत आज हमें उसी की चौखट पे ले आई।
Atlanta done. Atlanta तो मैं आपके लिए जरूर आऊँ।
Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Taha Shah Badusha here with the beautiful Namrata, waking up very, very early for me, and I absolutely adore her. And I hope that everybody across the globe who is listening to this, subscribe, join, like, and comment.
So we have with us Taha Shah Badusha, aka Tajdar from Hira Mandi, the man who needs no introduction. So Taha, right now, early in the morning in US, and it's pitch dark out there.
It's pitch dark. Where are you talking from? कहाँ से आप बोल रहे हो?
Atlanta.
From
so
Atlanta.
It's Eastern, yeah. It's Eastern Standard Time. So it's like 5 o'clock in the morning.
Oh wow, you look quite fresh for 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah.
I think it's all your effect or Hira Mandi effect.
And also, I'm enjoying the board behind you, which is written "Love, never stop, don't." कुछ तो लिखा है आपके पीछे. You, beautiful.
Wait. Oh, this is a wallpaper.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Thank you. Yeah. So let me start with a cringe line.
Will you please?
Right now it's pitch dark, but मेरा तो sunrise हो गया.
Nah. I'm gonna use that as a what is the pickup line you heard? I'm gonna say this is the pickup line I've heard.
You are this glowing sun who is like rising through the horizons.
Thank you. I hope that continues. I hope the sun doesn't set.
Yeah. So let me start with this interview after this cringe line. First of all, where is your mustache? I think now this should be the crime for you to remove your mustache.
Yeah, right. My mom doesn't allow me to go back in the mustache. She's like, नहीं, जब तक ये अगर आप चाहते हो तो हीरा मंडी के प्रमोशंस के बाद आप चले जाओ मुस्टैच में, पर जब तक चल रहा है तब तक आप नहीं जाओ, वरना फिर लोग आपको सिर्फ उसी में याद करेंगे. तो मैं बोला चलिए ठीक है.
So that's the strategy.
Yeah, so that they can recognize you in all different faces as well. इसलिए मैंने इतने बड़ी दाढ़ी में मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस किए, फिर कम किए, फिर कम किए, फिर और कम किए. अभी ये क्लीन शेव कर दूंगा मैं जब मैं जा रहा हूँ यूके, तो so that people can see me in all different faces, and फिर मैं वापस बढ़ा दूंगा मुस्टैच.
हाँ, please do. You know, after I think Anil Kapoor ji and Jackie Shroff ji, you are after generations, you are the first one who looked so dashing in mustache. So I think मैं FIR करने जा रही हूँ. You should not remove your mustache.
मैं अपनी गलती सुधार लेता हूँ. मैं 100% मुस्टैच इसी महीने के अंदर.
Yes. सारी लड़कियों का दिल तोड़ देंगे आप अगर you remove your mustache. You look so dashing. Anyway, how are you after this tremendous success of Hira Mandi? How are you feeling? You know, this is a cliche journalistic line, but कैसा लग रहा है?
I am feeling very grateful, and कुछ लोग मुझे कह रहे थे कि you're not as happy as you're supposed to be, or as we think you're supposed to be. पर ना इतने सालों की मेहनत के बाद जब मेरा ना सक्सेस और फेलियर ऐसा हो गया है, एक लाइन में हो गया है. So now, even though there's a lot of love which I'm getting, there's always a certain feeling कि what is all lacking in me, और मैं क्या करूं कि इसको, it's not like this, because I know everything will go one day, ये सब ठीक है, but I also feel कि इतने सालों में कुछ नहीं मिला मुझे, अचानक से मिल रहा है, तो I'm also little like pessimistic about it, like, you know, is
नजर
this,
ना लग जाए, हाँ.
yeah, is this real, and if it is real and it is real, I want to work harder कि मैं इसको maintain रखूं, कि मैं audiences को निराश ना करूं. So I think that way, because I value it a lot. I value it because I haven't gotten anything in my whole life. So
Gratitude.
this really means really a lot to me. It really means a lot.
Yeah, I was actually watching one of your interviews, and you said someone was saying this is an overnight success. This is a overnight sensation, but this is not overnight. You have been working hard for the past like 13, 14 years. In 2000, I think 2011, you started off with Yash Raj, then
Yeah.
with Dharma, then you did a movie with Mahesh Bhatt. So you've been doing good movies. Good production houses were backing you up. What clicked? What happened with Sanjay Leela Bhansali and with Hira Mandi?
What happened? It just, I feel, it's not only Bhansali, we have to say Netflix as well, because Netflix really put it out there to the world, and Bhansali sir is such a phenomenal director, and of course, I think he's the top director of our country. तो जब भी वो कुछ बनाते हैं, हमारी इंडस्ट्री तो देखती है, साउथ इंडस्ट्री भी देखती है, बाहर के लोग भी देखते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स एन इंस्टीट्यूशन, इट्स एन एजुकेशन वाचिंग हिज स्टफ, कि क्या बनाया उन्होंने, किस तरह से उन्होंने बनाया है, प्रोडक्शन डिजाइन, आर्ट, ज्वेलरी, जो आप देखिए आप क्या पहन रहे हो, सो यूनिक, so just everything is very educational. So I believe that's what happened with Mr. Bhansali, that when he gives you such a treat to watch, the whole world watches it. Because of Netflix, many countries watch it. ऐसे languages में dub हुई हैं जहाँ पर कभी हिंदी फिल्म कभी पहुंची नहीं, जैसे Korean, Japanese, German, French. It's been dubbed in all these languages, dubbed in about almost 40 languages, right?
Yeah.
And you get that audience to watch the our country's storytelling. So I think that's what happened. And then of course मैं तो एक छोटा सा मतलब उनके इतने बड़े विजन में मैं बहुत ही छोटा हूँ, but of course I feel also because it's a love story, मुझे जितने भी फिल्में मिली हैं, of course Barkha was a love story, but again Barkha was from a new director and from a smaller production house. But when you compare Sanjay Leela Bhansali and then playing a romance, and then of course having a mustache, it really made the that really made the difference.
Yeah. So you're talking about, the reach, and I'm not kidding. Today I got this. This is an event which is happening in Atlanta, and it says, come flaunt your Hira Mandi style looks tonight.
Oh, wow.
This whole event is about Hira Mandi. People gonna dress like Hira Mandi dresses and come up to this restaurant. I think this is a restaurant, and eat and whatever they would like to do.
Oh, so yeah.
This is the theme. The theme of the night is Hira Mandi. Can you imagine the reach?
Oh, wow. This is incredible.
You should charge them. Copyright issue.
Yeah. ऐसे इतने सारे लोग कर रहे हैं हीरा मंडी के, it's a publicity, to be very honest. And I mean, clearly I can understand कि अटलांटा में काफी लोग हैं जो मतलब हीरा मंडी देख चुके हैं.
Oh, मैंने देखा binge watch.
तो I think एक ट्रिप तो US करना चाहिए ना.
बनता है. Yes, you all should come here. I think people would go gaga. Yeah, your reach has, I don't know. You don't know what you have created.
I mean, no, मैं तो सिर्फ एक हिस्सा था what is Bhansali created. But yeah, no, definitely Atlanta was something that I wanted to come for sure. बाकी का मैं बोल नहीं सकता, पर मैं जरूर आऊंगा, मुझे आना है.
Please, please. We will welcome you with warm heart and open arms and everything. Okay, let's go back to Hira Mandi again. So, in many of the interviews, actresses said कि हमने तो इतने retake दिए, and Sanjay ji is so perfectionist. Even Richa Chadda said that her highest retake score was 99. What's your highest retake score, and in what scene?
यार मुझे actually I've been initially I've been a kind of actor who likes to go very prepared on set, right? और मैं 10,000 बार बाहर कर लूंगा सारे प्रैक्टिस, मतलब अगर अगर डांस का भी हो, इसमें डांस नहीं था पर अगर डांस का भी हो या तो डायलॉग्स का भी हो या कुछ भी हो, मैं पहले पूरा 1,000 बार मैं बाहर करके आता, उसके बाद फिर मैं सेट पे आता कि मैं वहां पे ज्यादा वक्त वेस्ट ना करूं। ठीक है। So initially the first few weeks, I was getting max to max maybe 3 to 5 takes.
Okay.
That's all. और फिर उसके बाद जब जब मुझे पता चला कि लोगों को और ज्यादा टेक्स मिल रहे हैं, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं क्या गलती कर रहा हूँ। मुझे ज्यादा टेक्स क्यों नहीं मिल रहे। मैं because it becomes a different kind of mindset कि उनको ज्यादा मिल रहा है, मुझे ज्यादा क्यों नहीं मिल रहा, मैं तो कुछ गलत कर रहा हूँ क्या। So यही मुझे, he doesn't like me, that's why he's not giving me takes. पहले तो मुझे वैसा लगा, and then I understood that he wouldn't say yes unless he got what he wanted, right? So then I'm like, okay, तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत तो मैं ठीक कर रहा हूँ, कोई बात नहीं, निकल जाते हैं, इनको टेंशन नहीं देते। But if I had to talk about the maximum takes, I think it was about 23 maybe max.
Wow.
23 was, and that also because he wanted from different angles, और वो सिर्फ एक कैमरा यूज करते हैं ना, एक ही कैमरा यूज करते हैं, दो कैमरा यूज नहीं करते हैं। तो इट वाज द ईद का एक सीन था जहां पर मलिका जान आती हैं।
नवाब साहब ईद मुबारक, बेगम साहिबा ईद मुबारक।
ईद मुबारक मलिका
ईद मुबारक। अच्छा माफ कीजिएगा, बगैर बताए हम चले आए, लेकिन क्या करें, ख्वाब में नवाब साहब को देखा था, बहुत परेशान लग रहे थे और कह रहे थे उनके साथ बहुत बड़ा धोखा हुआ है।
और हम लोग टेबल पे बैठे हुए हैं, हम लोग या तो दैट सीन एक लास्ट चार्जन होता है।
सरफराज नाम का हमारा कोई दोस्त नहीं। आलम सेब मलिका जान की बेटी, हीरा मंडी से हैं, लेकिन तवाइफ नहीं, और हम इनसे बेइंतहा मोहब्बत करते हैं।
तो उन्होंने हर एंगल से लिया था वो चार्जन, तो उस चार्जन में उनको चाहिए था कि मैं इस आंख से एक आंसू गिरा, और मैंने हर टेक में मैंने गिराया था, राइट। बट उस टाइम ही इज लाइक, ओके फाइन, यू नो व्हाट, आई लाइक दिस, यहाँ पे तू अपने होठ के साथ तू ये कर। मैंने वो किया तो वो एड ऑन हो गया। तो हर टेक में हम लोग एड ऑन कर रहे थे, and that's why it took us, or of course there is technical issues, focus issues, ये issue, that issues, पर max to max 23 issues all put together हमने वो कर दिया था।
वाह। कौन से सीन में सबसे ज्यादा मजा आया करने में, and who was your favorite co-actor or co-actress in?
I think the favorite scene of mine is the ending scene where I'm getting beat by the. That is one scene which I really like.
That's not our favorite scene, by the way.
No, that's okay. It's my favorite. मुझे मरना बहुत पसंद है। तो that was my really favorite scene, और उसमें ना कोई डबिंग नहीं हुई थी, कोई, अगर क्योंकि आपने देखी है तो उसमें कोई म्यूजिक भी नहीं है,
right?
There's nothing. It is plain. जो मैंने वहां पे किया है वही मतलब प्रिंट हुआ है। So and without any music, without anything, just in the voice, just in the feel, people have cried, and I wanted them to cry, and I wanted them to feel like nahi, all so many different feelings I wanted the audience to feel, and I feel that I have achieved that from the feedback I'm getting, so I'm so honored, and that's why that is my favorite scene, क्योंकि ना मैंने मम्मी को भी कहा था कि मम्मी अगर लास्ट सीन में, यानी बाकी ठीक है, बाकी सब ठीक है, पर अगर लास्ट सीन में if the audience cries with me, then I know I have won as an actor,
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I
You
hope
totally
कि
did.
आप भी cry, आप भी रोए हो. I hope so.
Definitely. Okay. I know that you've given like 1,000 interviews by now. What is that one question you are like sick of giving answers to? And what's that one question you think many people should ask this more and they're not asking?
Oh, wow. One question that I'm done with is
Yeah.
how do you feel? How does it feel like working with Mr. Bhansali?
Okay. Thank God I didn't ask that.
Yeah, that. And then what question they should be asking? They should be asking how, you know, what was it? What was the? No, actually, that वो भी पूछा है. ऐसा नहीं है कि उन्होंने नहीं पूछा है. But I guess, they should be asking about how Mr. Bhansali always is known for his women characters.
Yeah.
But he also writes great characters, like whether it be Devdas, of course, Devdas is done, but like whether it be Guzarish, whether it be Black, whether it be, or like heroes, like let's say the heroes like Ranbir Kapoor or let's say Ranveer Singh, Bajirao,
Yeah.
how he's written incredible male characters, and now after Ranveer, he's written Tajdar. After Bajirao, he's written Tajdar. So I believe that his understanding of portraying men is nobody talks about that. Everybody's talking about how great he portrays women, but I feel
Yeah.
he portrays men also in a really incredible light. Which
Yeah.
is something that don't get asked very much. Yeah.
Okay, now let's play a game because now it's a crime not to play a game in an interview.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, so I've divided this game in two segments. One is the cliche segment. I'm going to ask you all the cliche questions.
Okay.
You are like, "Arey yaar, phir se pooch rahe." But
No. Please go ahead.
It's fun.
I love cliche questions.
And the second segment is untold segment, which is like different type of questions and judge you and your life and Taha, not Tajdar but Taha. Okay. So are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. So first the cliche segment. All your favorites. Favorite movie of all time.
Hindi, English.
Any.
Okay, the movie that redefined my life was a film called Scarface.
Okay. And Hindi?
Hindi mein, my favorite film has to be so many. But if I had to pick one, it would have to be Devdas.
Devdas. Wow. Favorite actor or actress?
Favorite actor, easy man. Shah Rukh Khan. I mean, I'm his idol. Like, he's my idol. There's no doubt. Anybody can be a better actor, sure, but Shah Rukh Khan is my idol.
Okay.
So,
And actress?
Actress. Madhuri Dixit.
Oh, nice. Favorite food?
Biryani. Chicken biryani.
Favorite travel destination?
Yeah, अभी तक मैं favorite travel destination पे गया नहीं हूँ, but I feel that I might love Japan.
Japan. What about America?
I mean, I've been to New York, I've been to Los Angeles, I've been to Washington. It's definitely a great place, but I don't know. I feel that somehow I have this. I'm somehow being pulled to the samurai culture. As a person, I'm being pulled to the samurai culture, so that's why I'm saying Japan.
Okay. I think you should add Atlanta also in this.
Atlanta done. Atlanta तो मैं आपके लिए जरूर आऊँ.
Thank you. Okay, this or that. Tea or coffee?
None. Okay,
None?
wait. Can I go with green tea?
Green tea. Tea.
Okay, green tea.
Books or movies?
Fire. Movies.
Movies, obviously. You're a morning person or a night owl?
Morning person.
Okay. Beach or mountains?
Mountains.
Okay. Now your preferences. If you could have dinner with any three people, dead or alive, who would they be?
I would have Kobe Bryant. I would have Shah Rukh Khan.
Of course.
There's so many on my mind. I was just like pick, and I would have with Abraham Lincoln.
Ooh, nice. Good one. Okay. One thing you can't live without.
Workout.
Okay. If you weren't an actor.
I'd be struggling to become an actor.
Okay, good one too. Now the untold segment. What's your hidden talent?
Hidden talent. I don't know. I guess I love action, so I'm like I do taekwondo. I'm a gymnast.
Oh, nice. Good. If you could have any superpower.
I have two or three, but okay.
You can
I'll take
tell
you
two
all
or
three.
three.
Okay, fine. So one is to become invisible.
Okay.
Second one is to read everybody's mind,
Okay.
and the third is to fly.
Fly. Wow. तो ये सुपर पावर यूज करके क्या करेंगे?
Whenever I'm tired of a conversation, I'll just disappear. Boom. Right.
Okay.
And when
Hopefully not now.
no.
Hopefully not. Okay.
Flying because I don't know, I enjoy the bird's eye view of the world. It makes me, I think I want to I want to use that to just see the world from atop, but not in a plane, like by myself. Then and being able to read people's minds is to understand, because most of the time I've always made bad decisions of having friends, and always the friends always backstab me. So understanding people's mind, I guess, is a good thing. क्या सोच रहा है भाई? क्या सोच रही है?
Good one. Okay. What's the most adventurous thing you have ever done?
I think the most adventurous thing, what gives me a high, is जब मैं जुगाड़ करके मैं एमी अवार्ड में गया था. मतलब मैं एमी अवार्ड में तो टिकट के साथ गया था, पर उसके बाद मैं बहुत लास्ट रो पे बैठा था, और वहां से मैंने कैसे जुगाड़ कर करके I went and I touched the stage. Okay. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's a talent.
Video of that. So yeah, that is a talent, bro. It's a freaking talent.
That's a talent. I should learn that thing from you. Okay, describe yourself in 3 words.
Relentless, emotional. How to kind of sum this up? Okay, relentless, and what do you call this?
2,000 years later.
What do you call? Okay, fine. Passionate.
Passionate. Okay, that's good. Okay, now the last question. So the game is over. Tell us something untold about yourself, which nobody knows or very less people know about you.
I think everybody knows that I'm a mama's boy.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do people don't know about me? People don't know that I'm actually quite. I think I have like an OCD about like keeping my things in order and keeping everything like lined up, and like even my table and all everything needs to be lined up, and all the books need to be lined up according to which genre, everything needs to be lined up properly. Like I don't like mess. I don't like a mess.
आपकी बीवी बहुत खुश रहेगी.
No, but even in that, I feel like because there's so many things happening, so it turns out to be a mess. But I have a problem with that. Like I try my best to keep it as arranged as possible. So my mind is free to think.
Wow, good. So now tell us about your favorite dialogue from हीरा मंडी. एक तो हमें पता है, वो आपको बोलना भी पड़ेगा.
Dialogue में क्या टाइम हो गया? Oh yeah, my favorite dialogue would be कि जिस दिन ताजदार बलोच को इश्क होगा, उस दिन पूरा लाहौर इश्क करना हमसे सीखेगा.
जिस रोज ताजदार बलोच को इश्क होगा, उस रोज पूरा लाहौर इश्क करना हमसे सीखेगा.
Wow. I'm married, but I have fallen in love with you all over again.
मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ बस.
आ रहे हो ना, आ जाओ. ओके, अब वो एक बार देख लीजिए.
एक बार देख लीजिए, दीवाना बना दीजिए। चलने को है तैयार हम, परवाना बना दीजिए।
Oh, oh, Taha, you are too good. You're too good. Okay, so this is all the questions I had for you, and it was fun talking to
It
you.
was great. Thank you so much for waking up so early and having this.
Anything for you. Anything for this conversation. Oh my God, this is such an honor.
This makes my trip to Atlanta more fun now. Now मैं जरूर आऊँगा, 100% मैं आऊँगा.
Thank you so much.